Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the NoteSaid24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for at a post office. We will practice at a post office actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes, because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50+ sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right. Welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English. I go to the post office. I go to the post office. The post office is open. The post office is open. I walk inside the post office. I walk inside the post office. I see many people inside. I see many people inside. Some people wait in line. Some people wait in line. I stand in the line. I stand in the line. I hold a letter in my hand. I hold a letter in my hand. I want to send this letter. I want to send this letter. The line moves slowly. The line moves slowly. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. I look around the room. I look around the room. I see many envelopes. I see many envelopes. I see many stamps too. I see many stamps too. A worker helps a man. A worker helps a man. The man sends a box. The man sends a box. A woman buys stamps. A woman buys stamps. Now it is my turn. Now it is my turn. I go to the counter. I go to the counter. I smile at the worker. I smile at the worker. The worker smiles back. The worker smiles back. I give the letter. I give the letter. The worker takes the letter. The worker takes the letter. The worker checks the letter. The worker checks the letter. The worker puts a stamp. The worker puts a stamp. The stamp is small and blue. The stamp is small and blue. The worker weighs the letter. The worker weighs the letter. The worker tells the price. The worker tells the price. I take out my wallet. I take out my wallet. I give some money. I give some money. The worker takes the money. The worker takes the money. The worker gives me change. The worker gives me change. I say thank you. I say thank you. The worker nods kindly. The worker nods kindly. The worker puts the letter away. The worker puts the letter away. My letter will travel soon. My letter will travel soon. I feel happy now. I feel happy now. I step away from the counter. I step away from the counter. A new person comes forward. A new person comes forward. I walk to the door. I walk to the door. I open the door slowly. I open the door slowly. The sun shines outside. The sun shines outside. I walk out of the post office. I walk out of the post office. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. The street is busy today. The street is busy today. Cars move on the road. Cars move on the road. People walk on the street. People walk on the street. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. My letter is on the way. My letter is on the way. I smile and walk home. I smile and walk home. It is a good day. It is a good day. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Note Said 24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.